Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and in today's video we're going to be doing a huge Zaful haul. Now I have to say Zaful has smashed their autumn winter collection this year. Honestly, when I was on the website I was like, oh my god, absolutely blown away, like absolutely blown away. And I was so excited when Zaful reached out to me again to do another video for them. As you know, I worked with them in a previous video and I got to try out some of their spring summer pieces, which I absolutely loved, and I'm so excited to be working with them on my favourite season of the year, autumn winter. Now just before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to join my little YouTube family that we've got going on here. I would love to have you, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I have so much here, I honestly don't really know where to start, but shall we start with jumpers? I feel like autumn winter screams jumpers and like checkered jackets. Do you know what I mean? I feel like that is like the vibe for this autumn winter. Now just before we get into this video, I'd just like to say that I have a promo code which I will leave on screen here if you'd like to get a little bit of coin off of your order. Who doesn't love a saving? Now the first jumper I picked up was this beautiful like camel cropped jumper, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. The quality of this jumper is honestly so good. Like it feels so soft and thick. And I just love like the backless detailing. I think that's so cute. And I think this is so cute and cozy. And the fact it's cropped is so good. Only because it means that when I wear like my high-waisted jeans and stuff and my high-waisted joggers, they actually fall at the right place. There's nothing worse than having a jumper that doesn't come down to the right place and actually doesn't suit your figure. So I really love it for that. I also love the colour of this. Like neutrals is so in. This jumper gets a big thumbs up from me. Okay, so the next jumper I picked up was this cute like button up number. Now I've seen so many of these on so many different websites and people are just wearing these like as a jumper, like not even as a cardigan, and I just loved the vibe of it, and I thought this one just looked particularly cozy and warm. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I am honestly such a massive fan. I think again this just has the cutest like autumnal vibes that I'm here for, and it's just different to all the other jumpers I have. I feel like it's really hard to find like unique jumpers in that sense, and I definitely thought that this was unique, so this gets a big thumbs up from me. Love this. Also, I picked up both of those jumpers in size large, only because I like my jumpers to be oversized and comfy and baggy. There's nothing worse than a tight jumper in my opinion. Okay, so the next sort of like jumper I went for is this like mustard crew neck, I don't know if it's called crew neck, cabbage neck, it's not crew neck, cabbage neck shirt jumper thing with balloon sleeves, and I have to say I love this colour, like this mustard yellow. Oh my god, it's just everything. Like this is the most beautiful thing. This is the most beautiful top I've genuinely ever seen. This colour again, does it not scream autumnal to you? Because honestly it screams autumnal to me. Again, I got this in a size large. I'm an absolute massive fan and would highly recommend. I love it. So the next top I picked up was this kind of like, I genuinely don't know what it's called, but it's like ruffle around the boob. There's definitely a name for it, but I don't know what that name is. A basic little vest, but you can't get enough of basic stuff anyway, and it was really cheap, so win-win situation really. Oh, also I picked up that top in a size medium. Okay, so we're on to our first shirt, and this shirt is in this like brown neutrals pattern, which I absolutely love. Like I said, neutrals are just the vibe this season. I think they are so cute, and I have to say that the material of this is so nice. It's so soft. It's not like super thick, but I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. Like you can layer it up with coats and stuff, so I think that's absolutely fine. And it's not too long at the back. Sometimes what I hate with checkered shirts sometimes is that they make them super long at the back, and that's just not a bit of me, you know. I like my checkered shirts to fall at the right place, if you know what I mean. I love the colour of this. I think it's so cute. It's giving me autumnal vibes. I know I always talk about the autumnal vibes on this channel, but if this doesn't give you autumnal vibes, I really don't know what will. Wow, this feels so thick. Okay, so this is the next checkered shirt that I got. It's actually in this like greeny blue kind of pattern. I've got one that's very similar to this actually, and this is actually like very thick. Like I would probably describe this more as a jacket than a shirt, which I absolutely love. It means I don't have to wear anything else with them. They're really warm. I've got one really similar to this and I wear it all the time. Like genuinely during autumn it is an absolute staple. And I can just tell that this is going to be another one of those that I'm just absolutely obsessed with. I also really love the green colour. It's just a little bit different. You can pair it with lots of different patterns and stuff. I also got it in the biggest size only because I love my things to be oversized, as I said. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, so now we're moving on to some more fun tops. I mean, before Nottingham went into tier 3, I was thinking these would be some really cute bar tops. But since that definitely won't be happening anymore, these are just going to have to wait till the second wave is over, which hopefully will be sooner than we think. But this is the first mesh top I went for. It's got these really cool flames on. I genuinely thought that this top was so cool. Like, especially when clubs open again, I can see myself wearing this out to clubs for sure. I also just think it'd be really flattering because it comes to like a really nice point when you wear it. Like, it doesn't come too high or too low. So I know this would be really flattering with like a pair of jeans and like a cute black bra underneath. Because obviously this is a bit see-through, but it's purposefully see-through, so that's okay. And yeah, I am absolutely obsessed with this. I think I also just love the sort of like flame pattern. I think it's so unique and really stylish and cute, which I love. I picked this up in a size medium. Okay, so I also picked up another mesh top. This one is much more like, I don't know, I want to say acid trip vibes, but I don't know if that's really like PG for my channel, but do you know what I mean? Like, it's quite just like a cool trippy top. And I just thought this is such a cool pattern. Like, I also loved how like bright and unique it was. Again, it is a mesh top, but it's like meant to be see-through, so I think it will look really cool. And it's just different. I think it's just a different cool top, you know. I think I own a lot of tops that are very samey, so I was trying to find things that were like a little bit different for me to wear out, you know, just to try and make myself stand out and all that. Again, I picked this up in a size medium. Okay, so the next top I picked up was definitely more of a basic, but I think you can never get enough of basics, you know. So I picked up this long sleeve neutral top with like ruched sides where you can tie it up. And I honestly just thought this looked so cute on the website. But it is also a bit different. Like, this is kind of fun, and you know, you can make it more cropped if you fancy it. But yeah, I love this. The quality is so good. It feels so soft and like slinky, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I can definitely see myself getting a lot of wear out of this item. Okay, so the next top I have is this white ruched number. And I actually already have this in blue. I picked this up from my last Zaful haul and I'm the biggest fan of it. It's genuinely the most flattering top ever. I think it's so nice. And genuinely, whenever I wear it out, I always get compliments on it. And so I thought I would pick up another one in a bit more of a simple colour, in a nice white. And I'm honestly so pleased with this. I know I'll get so much wear out of this. It's like the perfect day to night top as well. Because of the ruching, you can actually like make it more cropped or less cropped depending on like where you are, which I think is perfect for day to night. Big fan of this top, gets a 10 out of 10 from me. That is why I picked it up in a different colour, because I'm so obsessed with it. I forgot I had this. Okay, so this next one, I have to say, was one of those like tops that you pick up as a free gift at checkout. So don't ask. Don't ask. Like, I can't say like I would have picked this out like myself, if you know what I mean, but it was a free gift at the end of checkout and I just thought, I mean, what's the harm? But it's just like some skeleton hands grabbing your boobies. You never know, I think you could make this cute. Like, you could wear it with like a checkered shirt or something, and I don't know. I do actually quite like this. I'm just not sure. It's just a bit odd, isn't it? But I mean, I like it. It's good quality. We'll see. Maybe I will style it up. You never know. Maybe I'll make it spooky season and try and be cool about it. I don't know. Okay, so the next top I have is this like geometric high neck top, which I just thought was really, really cool. Like, I could see myself dressing this up or down with a leather jacket or a denim jacket. It's a little bit different. Like I said, I've been trying to find some more like different outfits to wear recently, rather than everything that's just in trend and, you know, it's very basic. I've been trying to like step out my comfort zone a bit more, and I thought this was really fun. I really like the geometric pattern, and I thought I could just style it up in lots of different ways, you know. I picked this up in a medium and I'm a massive fan. Finally, I picked up this little baguette bag from Zaful. Now, I've seen my very good friend Georgia Lauren Birch talk extensively about her love of baguette bags. She literally has one in every colour to match every outfit, which honestly I back. I think that is a power move. but I didn't own a single baguette bag and I felt really sad about that. So I got myself one and I just got it in this cute little white colour, and I just thought like, oh my god, like I'm just that bitch, you know what I mean? Like this top makes me feel like that bitch, and I'm here for it. I think it's really, really cute. And that just about rounds up every single thing that I got in my Zaful haul. I'm honestly obsessed with Zaful. I will always be. I love all of the things they have on the website. I think everything is generally really high quality, and I just love how like stylish everything is. Honestly, Zaful gets a 10 out of 10, love them to pieces. I can't wait to pick up some more stuff from there. Don't forget you can use my discount code, which I'll leave on the screen now, if you would like to get some money off your order. Who doesn't want a cheeky saving? Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then my handle is @ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is @ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!